Charles's law is the relationship between volume and temperature. And as the gas heats up, it takes up more volume. So in here we have boiling water, so it's making water vapor, and as that water vapor increases in temperature, it's also going to increase in volume. We'll watch what happens to the balloon. Now if I put it into cold water, temperature goes down, and so does the volume. So now that the gas is colder, it takes up less volume, it sucked the balloon in. This is a repeatable reaction. So we put it back on the hot plate as the gas warms back up and starts to make warm water vapor again, then the water vapor begins to expand. As temperature goes up, volume goes up. We'll do it one more time. And as the gas cools down, it takes up less volume. Charles's law is the relationship between the volume of a gas and its temperature.